Hi again, this is Eleanor Keys with Manta Math, and this lesson covers Algebra 1, Chapter 1, Foundations of Algebra, Section 1-2, Orders of Operations, and Evaluating Expressions. So let's get started. So let's cover the definitions first. There's a power, and a power has two parts, a base and an exponent. I put an example at the side. So we have the 4 squared, right? And the whole thing together is your power. The 4 represents your base, and the 2 represents your exponent. So let's do some examples. First example is 0.7 to the third power. You can separate this into 0.7 times 0.7 times 0.7. Okay, it's probably a good time to get out your calculator. And I can tell you that this, once you multiplied it together, equals 0.343. That's your answer. Okay. Let's go on to the rules for the order of operations. So when you're given a question, you first want to solve the parentheses or brackets first. Whatever's inside, regardless of the sign, you want to solve for that first. You then want to move over to the exponents and solve for that. And then when it comes to multiplication and division, whichever comes first when you're reading left to right, it doesn't matter about the order here. And the same goes for addition and subtraction, whichever comes first. So let's do an example. Alright, so we want to do the parentheses first. We have one set of parentheses, 7 minus 5. We can simplify that to 2. Let's rewrite the equation for the sake of it. Okay, and then next is your exponents. We have one set of exponents right here. 2 squared is the same as 2 times 2, which equals 4. Okay, rewrite the equation again. Okay, next is either multiplication or division. Since division comes first, we're going to do 4 divided by 2 to get 2. Again, rewrite the equation. Okay, and then our next one, if we've already done division, is going to be multiplication. So we say 2 plus 4 times 3 minus 1 equals, and since we have multiplication in this section right here, we're going to rewrite the 2 plus, what is 4 times 3? That equals 12, minus 1 equals. Okay, next is either addition or subtraction. So addition shows up first, so 2 plus 12 is 14, minus 1 equals, and the next one is subtraction, 14 minus 1 is 13, and that is your answer. So when we're given a question asking you to evaluate the algebraic expression, and they're giving you the points, in this case x equals 4 and y equals 3, you simply just want to plug in. So let's plug in these values for here. Minus 18 divided by 3 squared equals. Again, we want to do parentheses first, and in which case there's no signs, so we're just going to go straight on to exponents. So 4 to the third power is 64. Okay, rewrite the equation. And whilst we're rewriting, we can simplify this too. So 3 squared is 9. Okay, next on our PEMDAS is division. As you can see, we have division here. So let's rewrite that part of the equation and simplify. What is 18 divided by 9? That is 2. Okay, there's either addition or subtraction next. So addition comes first. And so 64 plus 4 is 68 minus 2. And then you want to simplify this last part and you get 66 as your answer. And then in the next example, you want to plug in the x again, which is 4 in this case. Keep everything as it is, plug in your y for 3. Okay, so we have something happening within our parentheses first. So what is 2 times 4? That is 8. Keep your exponent divided by your 3. Now you want to simplify our exponent, so 8 squared, 8 times 8 gives you 64, divided by your 3. And then once we've done the exponent, it's either multiplication or division. We have no multiplication, just division. So 64 divided by 3 can't actually simplify, so you can just put it as 64 over 3. And that's your answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find more lessons by clicking the videos at the right of your screen. If you have any math-related questions, feel free to email me at eleanor@mantamath.com and I'll be happy to answer them for you. See you then.